Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to take a look at the Mikey 35mm f2.0 lens. This is it right here. And actually, I found this lens when I was doing the Amazon Prime deals. This lens only retails for $200 to begin with, and it was on sale for $160 during Prime, and I just happened to have some gift card stuff that was already added up in there. So basically I got this for almost nothing if you count the gift card thing. So let's take a look at this lens and see what we got. So before we open the box, I've got the Mikey 85mm f1.8 that's got the aperture ring down here at the bottom, and I really like. But this was the Mikey Pro, and this one was a really good deal. Also, the pictures on it are just so far above the price range. It's amazing. There's a video on that. I'll try to link that at the end of the video so you can check out the 85. But let's take a look at the 35. Yeah, when I came across this, I was looking for deals for you guys, and I came across this, and I saw that price of $160. I'm like, oh man, you got to try that for $160. Anytime you can get a full frame lens for $160 brand new, you got to at least check it out. And the Mikey stuff that I've used in the past, I haven't used tons of it, but what I have got, I've been very well pleased with. So let's see what we got here in the box. Simple box, not much to it, but there's a lens in there, and that's what we're looking for. And it does not have the aperture ring like this one does, but that's okay. This was the Pro version, and this one, I think they call it SE, almost like Apple calls their phone the SE. I don't know how that's related, but or if it's even related or not. But you do have your autofocus and manual focus button on the side, and that turns the opposite way of normal, so it looks like it may be weather sealed because there's a strip right there. That's pretty interesting for $160 to get some weather sealing in there. It is plastic, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It feels pretty much about like, I can get used to turning that the opposite direction. There we go. This one's a little heavier. I don't know, maybe it's because it's just an 85 and this one's a 35, but not much heavier, just a little bit heavier. I'm going to try this one out in just a second. We're going to do an autofocus test on it. I've got a photo shoot we're in the process of setting up to do with this. Now, when you're doing a photo shoot of a model with a 35mm, it's a different type shoot than if you're using an 85mm. So we'll get into that in a future video. But for today, we're going to do an autofocus test. So let's take a look. The filter size ring on this one is a 58mm filter size ring on it. And there's the front. So I'm very interested to see how this will focus, if it's going to focus fast or if it's going to be slow. It feels pretty good. I mean, like I said, it's not, you can tell it's not a $2,000 lens, but for $160 for what I paid for it, I got high hopes for it because all the Mikey stuff I've used so far has been pretty impressive. So, and we got, we did this, we got the lens hood too. So we are sitting pretty good with this. So let's go do a focus test and see what we can get from that. All right, guys, so we're doing our challenge here on the Mikey 35mm f2.0 that was only $160. Unbelievable deal on Amazon Prime. So we're going to see what kind of focus it'll do on following me. So we're going to see if it follows me, and I won't really know if it has until I get inside or not. So we're just kind of playing this by ear, but we're filming with the Lumix S5 Mark II. We're outside. I was going to do this earlier, but it was 97 degrees earlier. And then after that, it poured down rain. So we've got all kinds of weird lighting going on right now. So birds chirping, all kinds of strange stuff going on. So anyway, you know, this lens only being $160 was just an incredible deal for a 2.0 lens, 35mm prime. Any lens under $200. Even a manual focus makes it worth that, so much less an autofocus on an L-series mount. See how good it's keeping me in focus? Let me turn around and see if it loses me. Let's see, does it get me back? Does it have my face back? I do not know yet. I can't see it. We'll know soon. So let's see if I step out and I come back in. How quick will it get me? How close can I get? So anyway, guys, this is our short little autofocus test. We do have a photo shoot coming up with this. We're going to try to get the photo shoot done next week. So that means the video will be out in about 10 days, hopefully, if all goes as planned. So anyway, let's go check out how this is done on focusing and go from there. All right, guys, so that is it for our focus test. I think it did pretty good. I was pretty amazed. So this, I'm not sure, the video probably won't be out until after Amazon Prime is over. I think it still only retails for $200 then. Maybe it'll still be on sale for $160. That would be awesome. I'll leave a link down at the bottom if you guys are interested in this lens, but I'm using it on my Lumix S5 Mark II. Pretty impressed with it, so check it out. If we're helping you guys out, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day, and we'll have a photo shoot coming up with this very soon. You guys, thanks a lot. Have a good one. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.